how to set up all your memberships in the MAAT app for your academy. So here we are in the demo academy. First, we're going to navigate to the manager mode. This is where we can manage the whole gym just from our mobiles. And we're going to go to the tools section. At the top here, we can click on products and you can see I can create a new price. So let's set up a 2 times a week, 3 times a week, and an unlimited plan, just to show you guys how everything works. And then we can set up a drop-in fee as well. First of all, let's create a subscription, call it 2 times a week. We can also leave a description if we want to. And we're going to set a price. Let's call it 50 euros and let's bill it monthly. Now you can bill this every year, every 6 months, even to a custom billing period. But let's just set it to monthly, make things easy. We have the option to offer a free trial, which is attached to the membership as well. This means that the card details are taken off the member. They don't pay for 7 days, and then they're automatically charged after the free trial. Now, of course, if they cancel within those 7 days, they won't be charged anything. This is why it's a free trial. So let's add a 7-day free trial to the membership. We're going to have this renew automatically, and it's 2 times a week. So in the monthly sessions, we're going to put 8, and we can simply tap create, and it's going to pop up here. It's going to be the same process for 3 times a week. We'll just set the title here. Let's say we want to charge, it was 50 for 2 times a week, 3 times a week, we can do 60. And then we can leave it at monthly. We can also set the 7-day free trial, leave it on automatic. And this time for 3 times per week over a 4-week period, we're going to give them 12 sessions per month. So we have our 2 tiers, 2 times a week, 3 times a week. And finally, we can offer the members an unlimited plan. Make sure I spell everything correctly. And let's say we want to charge 75 because they're not just getting an extra session per week. They have unlimited sessions over the course of the month. We can add the 7-day free trial as well, leave it as automatic renewal. And finally, we can leave the number of sessions for the month as unlimited as well. We can create that here. So now we have a nice tiered system for our monthly automatic memberships. They come out automatically every month. Let's also create the option for a drop-in. So here I can create a new price. Let's call it a single session. We can also add the description. We can say 15 euros for 1 session. We do have the option to offer packs. So you could do a 10 class pack and offer 10 sessions within that. But this is just a single session, so we're going to leave the number of sessions as 1. And we also have the option to change the expiration period. So once the member has purchased this 1 class pass, how long does he have to be able to use that class? So usually we set this to 3 months. So I can purchase the 1 class pass, the single session, and then I have to use it within 3 months of purchase or it expires. We can tap create, and then it's going to create the drop-in session there. And that's it, guys. It's super simple and intuitive to use MAAT. You can create all of your memberships and structure them however you like within 5 minutes. If you'd like to learn more about MAAT and how we're helping over 500 academies across the world, you can book in for a direct consultation with us for free. Just follow the link down below. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about how the app works, you can check out these other videos here.